Hello friends, myself Professor Dilip Tathi, Senior Lecturer from Padam Shri Dr. Vitthara Vikhe Patil Polytechnic, Pravaranagar. In last videos, we have been studied the difference between pure metal and its alloys and the structure of steel and its alloys. In this video, we will study the classification of steel, specification and the application of steel. Steels are classified on the basis of following criteria. Steel is classified on the basis of amount of carbon percentage in iron, amount of its alloying elements like magnesium, copper, zinc, molybdenum, etc. It's also classified on the basis of amount of deoxidation of steel. Next, it classified on the basis of grain structure and grain characteristics. Next, what is the method of manufacturing? Next, how much is the depth of hardening? And next is its form and uses of steel. Steel is basically ferrous metal, and ferrous metal is classified into two groups. One is steel and second one is cast iron. Steels is broadly classified into low alloy and high alloy steel. In high alloy, there is tool steel and stainless steel. Again, steels are broadly classified as low alloy and high alloy. In low alloy steel, there is low carbon steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel. Again, it is classified as in low carbon steel, there is a plain steel, high strength low alloy. In a medium carbon steel, there is plain and heat treatable steel. In high carbon steel, there is a plain and tool steel, and in the category of high alloy, there is tool steel and stainless steel. As you know that steels are classified on the basis of amount of carbon percentage in iron. So here there are three classification: low carbon steel, medium carbon steel and high carbon steel. What is low carbon steel? A steel in which the carbon percentage ranges from 0.008 to 0.3% is mixed with iron. Next one is medium carbon steel, in which the carbon percentage ranges from 0.3 to 0.6%. And in high carbon steel, if the percentage of carbon is ranges from 0.6 to 0.2%, then it is called as high carbon steel. Classification based on alloy elements mixed in the iron. Alloy elements, that means copper, magnesium, aluminum, molybdenum, etc. So one is low alloy steel. What is called as low alloy steel? Here the total alloying elements are less than 10% mixes in iron Fe, and high alloy steel where total alloying elements are more than 10%. Again, steels are classified on the basis of alloying elements and carbon content. Here there is low carbon, medium carbon and high carbon. Next one is low alloy steel and high alloy steel. So classification is low carbon, low alloy steel, low carbon, high alloy steel, medium carbon, low alloy steel, medium carbon, high alloy steel, high carbon, low alloy steel, high carbon, high alloy steel. Classification of steel on the basis of its form and uses. So classification based on form is cast steels and wrought steels, and classification on the basis of its uses, that are boiler steels, case hardening steel, corrosion and heat treatment resistance steels, deep drawing steels, electrical steels, free cutting steels, machinery steels, structural steels, tool steels. What are the various application of stainless steels? So with the help of this chart, you can understand 26% steel is used in engineering field, 7% steel is used for other, 10% for tubular products, 11% for building and construction sector, 15% for electronic sector, 10% metal goods, and 16% for transportation. What are the specification of steels? Steels are specified on the basis of its chemical composition, mechanical properties, method of manufacturing, heat treatment process applied to steel, and its quality. Majority of specifications are based on chemical composition. Thank you.